and practice reading. I'm Shalini. I like to cook. My brother tells me to cook different kinds of food. So I cook the foods of different countries during the holidays. My sister and mother also help me to cook. On Saturday evening, I thought of making a special dish. I told my brother and gave him a list of ingredients in the recipe. Then my brother went to the supermarket. I cleaned all the plates, bowls, and other essential things I needed to cook until he brought those ingredients. Some days the food I made was so tasty and looked nice, but some days it's not that tasty. However, my brother likes to eat more food. That day I cooked slowly, so I spent many hours on that. But I didn't feel it because I like cooking so much. I feel so happy after seeing the food I made. My favorite thing is to decorate the food after making it. My sister, brother, mother, and father like to eat that food. After that, they express their opinions about the taste of food. My mother always tells me to cook any food. In the evening, my sister's friends came to our house and I prepared food for them as well. Then, after they ate, my mother and sister helped me wash the dishes. Did you listen carefully? Now I am going to ask you some questions. Who helped her wash the dishes? Sister, mother, mother and sister. Who likes to eat more food? Father, father and brother, brother. When did she decide to cook a special food? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Who brought the ingredients from the supermarket? Father, brother, Mother. Does Shalini cook very quickly? Yes. No. Who came to their house in the evening? Brothers' friends, sisters' friends, father's friends. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If this video helps you improve your knowledge, don't forget to share your opinions about this video.